What's good, Gypsy Gang? If you're new to this channel, subscribe and become a Gypsy babe, where we manifest in happiness through the mind, the soul, and the body. Today, Gypsy Gang, you already know it's Freaky Hair Friday. And today, I had to revive my lace front, honey, period, poo, because guys, I really didn't have any other hairstyles, and I'm actually waiting on my new lace front to come in. So for the time being, this is what we're going to do. So I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Yes, this is the final look. Yes, this is the outcome. But if you want to see the process, let's get into it. Starting off with long crinkled hair. I last wore this wig back in January for only about a week or two, and I just wanted to see if I could bring it back to life. Now I'm going in with conditioner and water. That's what's in the bottle, and this is just so I can soften up the hair as I comb through it and detangle it. So guys, when detangling hair, real or fake, you always want to start from the bottom and work your way up to prevent split ends or even just simply knotting the hair.
Jimmy on a beat, boy.
And as you know, I was in my jam. Now we're on the last section of detangling the hair. And we're all done, honey, period. I did go in with scissors and cut my hair short, and I couldn't really find my shears, so I had to use what I had. But I just wanted to try something new since I wore it long the first time. Now to make sure I get an even cut, I'm going to run through the hair with a flat iron. This is called the chase method, where you take a comb after the flat iron to get that straight silk pressed hair, honey. Yes.
Jimmy on a beat, boy.
as mentioned earlier, I'm going back in and cutting the ends, trying to get them as even as possible. It probably would have went a whole lot smoother if I had my shears. I don't know where they're at. And to preserve time, we're just going to fast forward to when I finish my whole head. And because I like side parts, that's how I will adjust my lace front, but of course you're welcome to leave it as a middle part or no part at all. And here I'm just going through and spraying the edges to get the Got2b glue residue off from the last time I wore it. And honestly, I wish I could have made them a bit more like thinner, a little bit more natural looking, but because they were like that for so long, it was no going back. Now I'm just clipping the hair back so that I can get ready to lay the lace front. And you guys know I love my Got2b glue, so that's what I use to lay my lace fronts. I leave the cap over my edges and I put the glue slightly above the cap so that it's, close to the hairline. And then once you do that, you want to blow dry it for 30 seconds on cool temperature. And you just want to repeat that process throughout the whole perimeter of your head, but for the sake of my video, I'm only showing you guys this part. To then lay the hair, I'd like to press it down with my fingers first, then go in with the end of a comb or maybe a toothbrush, something to help press the hair down further into your forehead. And for my edges, I like to use a little bit more Got2b glue to lay them down, and then of course shape them with my toothbrush. Once I get them to my liking, I'll tie it down with a scarf. Usually after I remove my scarf, I would apply makeup or some type of concealer to help blend the lace front in with my skin tone, but for this lace front I didn't really have to do that because I had already done it. Now I'm combing through it once more and even trimming more of the ends to get the hair more evenly. Now my final step is to go back in with a flat iron and this time bump the ends of the hair because I don't want that blunt look. And right about now, we're just gonna fast forward. And now it's time to take off the scarf. And because my hair did get a little tangled, I did go through once more with the flat iron off camera. And there you have it, Gypsy Gang, period. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I love you, Gypsy Gang. Peace.